Hi, I'm Adrian.
And I'm Attilio, and today we're going to talk to you about the huge benefits of 3D virtual tours. Adrian, what's one of the benefits?
Well, it keeps you COVID safe.
Another benefit, it's like doing an open house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Buyers get to take a look at your home at their own pace. What's another one?
Well, the buyers can determine if your home really is a fit, okay, without bothering you.
Last one, if it's got an occupant in there, either a homeowner or a renter, we don't have to bother them and kick them out. We can show the home anytime with these 3D tours. You have an example you'd like to share?
Yeah, we had some tenants, they didn't want to show the property, and we were able to show the home, get it into escrow, in fact, over the list price, all with the 3D tour.
So if you want to take a look at any of our 3D tours, just go to teamlally.com, click on that blue button that says 3D tours.
Be safe and aloha.
Let's go. This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Home of the guarantee.